Hi friends, since you have decided to make a WordPress website, you might be looking for a good hosting plan as well. In my every video, I used to say you have to take and select a suitable hosting plan for your WordPress website. So what are the parameters for choosing a good hosting plan? In this video, we are going to discuss or compare two major hosting provider, you can say two major WordPress hosting provider for you. And I just found in an advertisement while surfing on internet today that Bluehost is offering some great deal for few days, as so establishment date or something like that deal is going on. So I just typed a keyword called best WordPress hosting. So this is the major search is going on for WordPress hosting, and I found that there are 10 main hosting plans has been shown by the Google in the search result, and the Bluehost is one, and another the very popular is the HostGator. So HostGator is here. So let us compare first two major hosting provider for WordPress, and I will also tell you in this video what you should take care while you are deciding for your hosting of WordPress. So this is for offers in India search results, and okay, so I am talking about the India hosting centers, and you might be following the same parameters for choosing your hosting plan in different countries. You may looking in this video, watching in this video. Okay, so there are two major results. One is Bluehost and another is HostGator.in. Both I have already opened, and we will compare the plans. And I must tell you, I am going to tell you in this video what you have to take care while taking a hosting plan. It is very important. So let us first go to the Bluehost. Bluehost is here, and it has two hosting plan for WordPress hosting. One is WordPress hosting and another is WP Pro. I'll open both for you. Okay, so I'll tell you what Bluehost is offering in their hosting plans for WordPress. So let us view the plans directly, and we may need to chat with the customer support for understanding these plans as well. So okay, I'm just looking for the option get started. Okay, so chat option is not here. Let me find it first. So Bluehost birthday sale is here, and it is saying that it starts at the rate 175 rupees per month. Let us click on this. I assume chat option is here, and it is still not here. Okay, it is here, so we can chat. And let us first review the plan, and we will also have a chat if it is required. So let us first understand the plan, what is the offering. So it is learn more. These are the three basic plans in the WordPress hosting by Bluehost, and this is basic plan, plus, and choice plus. Okay, so I'm just talking about the basic one to understand what features are being offered by the Bluehost first. So it is saying 175 rupees. Price is always the first parameter for understanding or taking the hosting plan. So it is offering 175 rupees per month if we go for a 36 month, 3 years plan. Okay, so what we are getting in this one website, 50 GB SSD storage. So the first parameter and the second parameter is being what type of storage we are getting in the plan. So it should be SSD storage. So make a note of this, it should be SSD storage. Wherever you are taking the hosting plan, it should be SSD storage. Unlimited database is not so required, because if you are making only one WordPress website, so the using the term unlimited database is useless, in fact, in my opinion. So ultimately you are going to make one website and there would be only one database. Okay, so unlimited is useless. One or two or three database can be enough if you are making subdomain websites. So if you may make 2 or 3 subdomain website or whatever, so you need a one database for one website and one database for subdomain website if you are making, and if you are only making the main website, one database is enough. 100 plus free WordPress theme. Of course it is not so required, because you are deciding the themes at your own, and I believe the free WordPress theme will not work. So this is also not so useful, and it is again a selling point only. Free staging environment. Okay, it may be required if you are moving or willing to test your website during the development. Staging can be helpful, but again it is not so useful. Free SSL certificate. Okay, so this can be another parameter. So SSL certificate should be there, and it is, if it is free, it is very good. Now the next offering is free domain for 1 year. Okay, it is good, and if it is not there, it does not matters, because you may get a .in or .co.in a domain in just 200 rupees, or if you are going for a .com domain, it comes around in 700 or 800 rupees. So it is saying that the domain price is 13.99. It is not so proper, because you can get a cheaper domain from GoDaddy or anywhere. So this is again a sales point only, it is not so. Free automatic daily malware scan. Why you are feeling that there would be malware in your website? It should not be, because in our installations, what we are suggesting, you should use a very clean WordPress theme and already well tested plugins, and you are not going to install any improper theme or plugin, so there should not be any malware. And ultimately we are going to use CDN. This is next step, and malware is already protected, and we can use Jetpack, that also secures your website. So malware scan is okay, fine, it can be helpful, but not so important. Free speed boosting CDN. Okay, this is very good. And so Bluehost is offering CDN with this plan, and it is from Cloudflare. So boost your website performance and reduce load time with Cloudflare, and advanced content delivery network directly to your for a stadium name server need to be planted and Bluehost. Again, it is a restriction if, and so it is again a sales, you can say a style, or you can say a complete selling package like thing. So it is saying that you have to put your domain pointed at Bluehost. So it means if you are taking your domain name from GoDaddy, let us say, or anywhere else like Big Rock, or everything is here. So you have to point your domain to Bluehost servers only, then you can avail the CDN for free. Yes, it is logical. And email marketing tool, it can be useful while you are starting the digital marketing. And free website stats dashboard, it is very simple thing. It comes free with the Jetpack, and yes, it is from Jetpack only. It is written here on Hoover. It is saying that it is provided by Jetpack only. It is always free, so it is not a matter of big deal. Free Bluehost SEO tools, I don't know what it is, and it is not even mentioned what tools we are going to get. But the important technical terms which we need to decide a domain is not mentioned in this plan. So for that we need to have a chat with the customer support, and let us go for chat. I'll ask certain questions which may decide a correct hosting plan. So it is very important. So we can be new customers. I am just putting Sunoji Kare. I am just putting a random name. Okay. Let us see if chat starts. Enter a valid first name. Valid first name, sales, descriptions, VPS, new add-on, service or hosting. New, it is not. Choose one. VPS, sales, design, marketing, SEO, presets, domain, new add-on, new account. Need to understand the hosting. Okay, let us see when it starts. And the chat has been started, and I'll ask, I need to understand. I am talking about the 175 rupees plan. Okay, so it may be a bot, so simple things are being asked first, but we will ask certain questions to decide how much it is really valuable. And yes, it is not, we are not getting any answers. It seems like a chatbot only. Okay, I'll help with the link if they are reading. Yet not. I have some questions. So these are the main questions which you have to ask. I'm just showing you how to decide a hosting plan. How many cores are in hosting? This is being the first question, because we have already seen it is an SSD plan. In 175 rupees plan. So the main part is how many cores of servers. So it can be 1 core, 2 core, or similar answer. This is very important. Video seems not like very interesting, but you are deciding a hosting plan for your website, which is going to decide your business. I mean, website is the main face of your business, so you have to decide the hosting plan very carefully. And what we can see, so email has not been provided, so you are not getting any business email in this plan. So we will also ask about this. So the answer is I can provide you the basic configuration of the server. That is fine, but how many cores dedicated for my hosting account? So they are making some sales like a strategy. So I'm just saying that don't tell about the complete server, just tell me about what I am going to get in my plan if I am taking the 175 rupees, the minimum budget plan. And you can see the answer. Since it is shared server, the specification like storage, RAM and bandwidth cannot be specified. It is not so. It should not be like this. So bandwidth is not specified, or storage, however storage has been declared. It is 50 GB SSD storage. It is 50 GB SSD storage, right? So the executive is saying storage cannot be specified, and RAM cannot be specified. So why it is hidden? It is not so lucrative for me, and it should be very clear what I am going to get in the plan. If even I am paying a little amount, I wish to know what I am actually going to get. So again, answer is for basic plan 50 GB is there, but for other plans there is unmetered. But we are not talking about other plans, and they might be very good. It is unmetered. Yes, it is unmetered. 279 rupees plan is unmetered. Unmetered does not means unlimited, so mind this. Unmetered is not unlimited. Unlimited websites can be there, but unmetered has some restrictions. So we can ask another question. In unmetered, so what is the inode limit? Again, it is a good question. So always ask what is going to be the inode limit. Inode is something, I just tell you. So inode is something, how many files you can put on your server. So in a simple installation of WordPress, 2000 inode is used. So again, for basic plan the inode limit will be 2 lakhs. So it is now transparent. So even it is 50 GB storage, you are not going to use 50 GB, as there is an limit of inode. So of 2 lakhs, and 2 lakhs reaches very easily while you are making your website. Like if you are putting images on your website, one image converts into 32 images internally for making different size, and it is going, every image is going to make on one inode is being used. And okay, some print screen is here. Okay, so shared web host. Okay, so it is something. Okay, so let me go to it. Now we got something which we actually need. So basic plan has one website performance standard, and email accounts is 5. So I was talking about the email account, and it is offering 5 email accounts, and this is very clear picture which is not simply visible on the hosting website, I mean the offer page website. And please wait, and we will discuss this. So 2 lakhs is the inode limit, and you can see even in the higher plans there is a limit of 2 lakhs only. So I tell more something about this inode limit, and this is going to be actual restrictions in your plan. So bandwidth is unmetered, so we will discuss it later. Let us first finish the chat. And the hosting data center, okay, so and another is support is next parameter. And one major question still remains, whether we are going to get cPanel as a control panel or not. So this is again going to decide your price. Our servers are high performance servers located in Earth. Again, it is not valid. So if it is US server and we are willing to have a hosting in India, if we are offering services in India, we should must take hosting in India only. And if we are in another country, the data center should be in your country only. This is very important for maintaining the integrity and speed of your website. Okay, so this was also hidden. So now it is clear that they are offering, the Bluehost is offering US data center in the basic plan, or even in if I need India data center, will it available? Okay, so it is clearly no. Last question. Okay, so it is very important question. cPanel is always necessary even in normal hosting plans, and if you are not getting the cPanel, I would never recommend any of the hosting service, even it may be the Bluehost. They might have very wonderful control panel, but only cPanel is recommended from my side, and this is always hidden. Yes, you will be getting a cPanel. Okay, it is clearly cPanel, not the custom control panel, right? This is very important question. This is why I am asking again. The executive shared a video. Okay, let us see what is here.
Hi. Well,
and it is saying Bluehost account hosting,
log into WordPress.
domains, Jetpack. So it is Bluehost panel. It is not a cPanel.
You can manage the
Okay,
finance
so it is
details
like
of your
cPanel.
website.
Wait a
Existing
moment.
domain names. Edit or update a DNS zone.
And Zone editor is here. And advanced.
This is the gateway to your cPanel.
In the
Dashboard
advanced
of your
section.
website. From
Okay,
the
so
advanced
we are
section,
getting the
you can
cPanel.
manage
This is the
finance
cPanel.
details of your
Uh,
website.
we are getting the cPanel in the Bluehost account, and this video can be helpful. So I'm just copying the link, and I'll share this link with you in the description of
Your
this
profile
video as well.
is where you can
And
edit
I'll also
and update
share the
all
print
your
screen.
personal
Or print screen is already here. So
Change
cPanel
your
can be
references,
this video
update
can
your
be
contact
helpful.
information
So
and language
you can
preferences.
find it on
You
YouTube
can
as
also
well.
have a single sign-on with your Google account.
And I'm just pausing this video. And now we are okay with all our questions. Thank you, Renita. Okay, so we have completed our chat, and now we have the clear picture what is being offered in the Bluehost 175 rupees basic plan, and even in plus and choice plans. So let us see the screenshot which was shared by the executive only, and this is print a screen of any. However, I did not found it on their website, maybe available, I'm not sure. So I was talking about the inode limit, and in every plan there is an inode limit, and you are going to stuck on later stage if there is an inode limit of 2 lakhs. So generally the hosting providers offers inode limit. I am not saying it is unlimited with any hosting provider. Generally the hosting provider offers 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs inode, but somehow Bluehost is offering 2 lakhs only. And now 50 GB, saying 50 GB space is useless because there is a limit, and I believe if you are putting big size files and heavy size images and multiple plugins and all such things, so you will reach the 2 lakh inode limit very easily, and this is going to be a stuck in the hosting plan for you, so mind it. And we already seen the SSD is here, that is fine. Finally, what we may conclude for the basic and even plus or choice plus. So website can be unlimited, but if there is limit of inode, it is not actually unlimited, so it is going to be a limit for you. You can actually host maximum 10 websites as I calculate. So as I said, 20,000 inode is very simply reached, and in the very first installation of WordPress the inode uses becomes 2 to 3,000 as I have seen in my experience. So in every, so only pro plan is offering 3 lakhs inode limit, and it is very important, and it is going to be a downside of this hosting, if I talk about actually bandwidth is unlimited. So again, if it is not in India, so bandwidth in US is always unlimited with all the hosting providers. So if it is India, and it can be good, but if it is, and so they are not offering the Indian data center, it is also a very downside of this hosting plan. So domain registration, okay. Subdomains, again there is a limit of subdomain as well. So we were even talking about the subdomains. So and the database, so again, if database is unlimited, there is a limit of 25 subdomains. Again, it is hindrance. And one free domain privacy, okay, so it is not available in the basic and plus plan. It can be in choice or pro plans. Free dedicated IP is not available, but in pro plan it is available. Okay, so if it is 175 rupees and it is a big name of Bluehost in the hosting service, but I am sorry, I am not recommending this plan until we compare others. So let us go. Bluehost is very clear now, and as of now I am not recommending this. However, you can go, as it is a very big name in the hosting, and you can choose this as your hosting provider, because their server uptime is always good, of course, and their server quality is also good. And I'm not familiar about their support services, so I cannot comment on that. Now we can assume that we have completed the Bluehost, and this is being the screenshot link. Okay, so you have already just take a screenshot of this YouTube video. It can be helpful for you. I'm just cutting it. Okay, so the Bluehost is clear now, and now we have another hosting. Okay, so one is still remaining, Pro. So we have already discussed the Pro offerings in the screenshot of that, what given by the executive only. And you can, but Pro is costly. It is showing that it is 1259 rupees per month, and so we can conclude that Bluehost is a costly hosting service, and there are limits which may put us in trouble in the future. However, for beginners it can be good, and if you are having low traffic on your website, because they did not disclose the memory capacity. So this is very important. In the chat we have seen the memory was not described, and even in the list of features the memory I mean the RAM is not declared, and this is going to be again a deciding factor if RAM is not declared. And they are saying they are having 64 core, but RAM cannot be declared. It is not good. RAM should be declared very clearly what memory we are going to get. And I recommend, for a good hosting plan and for good website at WordPress, you should have at least 1 GB dedicated RAM for your hosting account, I mean for your cPanel account. Okay, so it is important. Now we can conclude that Bluehost is fine, and we have seen all the offerings. The next is HostGator. HostGator is also a very big name in the hosting providing services, and they have the first thing which we can see, they have both data center, India and US. Okay, so we have choice. So if we talk about the India data center, for the 3 years it comes 299. It is almost 125 rupees more than the Bluehost as compared to plan basic plan. And If we wish to compare apple to apples, I mean the US data center, it is just 249, so it is 75 rupees higher per month. Okay, but things are more clear in the offering at the HostGator. It is clearly saying one WordPress installation, dual core CPU. So your CPU would be dual core, and it is very clear, it is not hidden. 5 GB storage again. So as compared to Bluehost, we are getting very low, 1/10 of storage. But if you are starting a website, 5 GB can be good storage. So now next is 2 GB of RAM. This is what I was talking about during the explanation of Bluehost. So RAM is very clearly mentioned. 2 GB RAM for a single website is very good. If you are having a good WordPress theme and optimized codes, so 2 GB is really going to good work for you. And it is next is saying visitor up to 25k per month, so you can assume 1000 visitor in a day with this hosting plan is very good. And next, Bluehost was offering 5 email accounts, 5 official email accounts. Here we are going to get unlimited email accounts, just in case if you are willing to have multiple email accounts for your staff members or your colleagues and for your everything. So this can be a very good feature, so you can avail the email unlimited email accounts in this plan. And Mojo Marketplace is not so useful, so it is just a digital marketing thing. Jetpack plugin was offered in Bluehost, and now it is being offered in the HostGator as well. And similarly, the next plan offers quad-core CPU and 20 GB RAM, 4 GB of RAM, 4 GB of memory and 20 GB of storage, and visitors up to 200k. I mean, so 2 lakhs visitors per month, it is a good number of traffic. So if you are having a willing to have a expecting a high traffic on your website, this plan can be good for you. We are not going to talk about the business and professional plans, because we are just talking about the bare minimum requirement for WordPress hosting in this video. In the next video, when we can discuss all about these things. But what is not available here is the CDN. So Cloudflare is not being offered here, and the cPanel is available or not, we need to talk about this. So again, I'm starting the chat with the HostGator executive. I'm just filling the credentials, and somehow chat is not available at this moment, because it is already night and they might be working in the day shift only. So we can have a callback, but this is not valid for this video. Again, it is not clear that cPanel is available or not. Rest things are comparatively good, but price is high. So if the cPanel is available, I am not sure whether it is available or not. Technical aspects we can say. Check pledging file, instant scalability, advanced caching, automatic failover, and okay. So can I access the cPanel of WordPress My Hosting plan? No, cPanel is not provided in WordPress hosting, so it is now clear. So no need to have a chat. Now cPanel is not provided in WordPress hosting. They are providing the basic panel, However, it may work good, but I always recommend to have a cPanel with the hosting plan, and money back guarantee can be there. No, okay, so WordPress hosting does not have any money back guarantee. Okay, let us see what is WordPress hosting, and can I upgrade my WordPress hosting? You cannot upgrade your hosting cost. Okay. Can I use external email service? Yes. Okay, so you can use external email service like Google Mail. You can use. SSL certificate is not provided. No. And can I use existing? Okay, so it is about the existing SSL. And if we talk about the SSL certificate is available or not, it is not mentioned. SSL is being important part. So, no, an existing SSL certificate cannot be used with your WordPress hosting. To issue the certificate, you need to generate the CSR from your WordPress panel, which can be then be stored. Okay, so SSL is available somehow indirectly, but it is not clearly mentioned. WordPress will be updated. Does WordPress support multi-site? Multi-site is not supported, and even in Bluehost it was not clear. Do I get SSL certificate with the plan? Okay, so no, the WordPress plan does not include SSL certificate. Okay, it is a big downside. So if it is not SSL certificate, I'm not recommending this. Okay, so both the HostGator and even the in the Bluehost the SSL was available, and in the HostGator SSL is available on additional cost, and you can see the how much it costs. It is really costly, and since CDN cannot be configured, so the external SSL is going to be. Can I use an existing SSL? No, it cannot be used, and SSL is not available, and you cannot use external SSL. What is this here? This is something, a big downside of this HostGator WordPress hosting again, so it is not recommended. So we talked about the two major hosting providers in this video, and both according to me is not suitable. Somehow I'm sorry, but it was really very important to discuss all the points. Here SSL is not available, rest things are fine, but SSL is not. So what is SSL? You might be knowing. So it brings HTTPS with for your domain, and this is a secure indication of a secure website. If you are going to make a e-commerce website, you must be needing a SSL certificate at your website, and it is going to cost you additional. And in this video we are comparing the cost part and the best part of the hosting plans. So if we talk about the HostGator, it is comparatively costly from Bluehost, and SSL is not available, and cPanel is not available. So why it is costly, I don't know. So this is going to be major downside of this hosting plan, and okay, so it is not recommended. So what I am going to do, I will explore another hosting plans in my next videos, and I will request you to subscribe this channel, because it is going to be a very important discussion about the hosting plans. and what hosting plan is going to be actually suitable for you. These are two big names, and in my opinion both of any of these two is not satisfactory, which we actually need, because we are going to save money and wish to have a best hosting plan for our website, and not only big name is sufficient for this. We actually need a good hosting plan, and we need to check other hosting providers as well. So wait for my next video. I'm going to make another video on the same topic, and I must compare other hosting plans, and finally we will decide which hosting plans is best for your WordPress website. Okay, thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugin utilities, and this topic is going to be continued in another video. Thank you, keep watching.